How to use castor oil and avocado oil mix for growing hair. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a bowl. Now, apply the mixture to your scalp and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes with your fingertips. Then, wash it off using a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. Use this oil once every week for stronger and healthier hair. How castor oil and avocado oil mix helps in hair growth. Avocado seed oil is a rich source of essential fatty acids like linoleic acid and linolenic acids. These may maintain hair resilience and shine. On the other hand, castor oil contains the highest percentage of fatty acids, long-chain carbonic acids, 99%, like omega-6 fatty acids, compared to any other carrier oil. A study showed that omega-6 fatty acids, arachidonic acid, promote hair growth by increasing the growth factors in human dermal papilla cells, cells that promote dermal epidermal reactions to regulate the hair growth cycle. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.